Hello, Coach K community. Let's go ahead and get those abs on fire. Today we are going to be using ankle weights as your prop, but you are more than welcome to do this whole ab workout without the ankle weights. If you have those weights, go ahead and get them on. Once you got your ankle weights on, go ahead and take a seat onto your mat. Feet are gonna be nice and flat. You're gonna stay in a seated position here. You are more than welcome to keep the hands supporting underneath your legs for this warm-up, or you're going to match me and reach those arms nice and long out in front of your body. We're gonna tuck our pelvis, round that spine, hinge back just a few inches, not too far. Scoop with that center core to come back on up. And again, hinge back a few inches. Slowly come all the way back on up for 8. Relax the shoulders back and down. Keep the tension out of your neck. Keep the tension out of those shoulders. When you're coming back on up, you're thinking about scooping deeper into those lower abs. You're not coming up by pulling your neck. In 4, I'm gonna add some legs to this. In 3, 2, 1 more here. Come all the way back on up. So now what you're going to do is you're gonna hinge, bring the right leg up to a tabletop, touch your right foot back down, come all the way up. So this is your base layer. Hinge, tabletop only the right leg, bring it down, come all the way up. Now let's add an arm. Hinge, right arm raises up towards that ceiling as right leg comes to tabletop. Bring everything back down to center. Come all the way back on up. And again, hinge, leg, arm comes up. Touch back down. Come all the way up. 4, 3. Go in 2. Last one. Hinge, lengthen up. Touch down, come all the way up, right away to the left side. Hinge, just the left leg. Touch back down, come all the way up. Hinge, tabletop, touch down, scoop it on up. Now, let's add that left arm. Hinge, reach up, touch down, come up for 5. Last part here of the warm-up. 4. Again, make sure you're not pulling up from the neck. We're scooping into the abs. You also want to make sure that as you raise the leg, you're not going into your hip flexor. Last one, let's go. Hinge, reach up, touch down, come back up. Nice job. So what you're gonna do is just walk down onto those elbows there. So elbows are gonna come down to the mat. One at a time, we bring our legs up into a nice tabletop and hold. From here, you're gonna take your right toes, touch the right toes down, pick it back on up for 10. Just that right side, 9. This is gonna get spicy here, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and then we're gonna add the left leg. So what we do from here is you touch the right toes, extend that left leg up, bend everything back into a tabletop. Right toes go down, left leg goes up, bring to the center. And again, bring it in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, in 2, we hold it there. Let's go, hold. Now lower that left leg down, lift it back on up just to that right knee height, press it back on down. You can take the right foot flat to that mat. Now I want you to think, scoop from the lower abs, squeeze from that quad. Touch back down for 5. Last 4. In 3, we're gonna go to the other side, back to a tabletop hold. In 2, 1 more here. Now right away, bring both legs up to a tabletop, left toes only touch down, come back to tabletop for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Now you touch the left toes down, right leg extends up. Bend everything into a tabletop. Left toes go down, right leg goes up. Bend it on in. For 9, 8, 7, 6, in 5. We're gonna hold it there in 4, 3, 2, last one, hold it there. Lower the right leg down, lift it back on up. You can stay on your left toes or take that left foot flat for 9. We got 8. Scoop again from the lower abs. Pull from the front of that right thigh, not your hip flexor. In 4, we're gonna come back into a tabletop hold. 3, 2, 1, legs come into a tabletop. Now we're gonna combo this out. Extend the legs, bend them back on in. Now you extend, open, close, bend it in. So again, extend the legs out, open those legs, close, bend it back on in. Go ahead and continue with me. Now just know, the lower you take these legs, the harder it's going to be. So it's gonna be up to you on how low or how high you take these legs. In 5, we're gonna hold those legs fully extended out. Woo! In 3, you got it. Going in 2. Now on this last one, hold it there, pulse the legs out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bend it on in. Woo, catch your breath. Okay, you guys got one more to finish through. Think of it as like a half circle. So, in 5, first let's bring our legs to a tabletop. I'll walk you through this last one here in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bring those legs up to a tabletop hold. Extend the legs up towards that ceiling, hold. Take your right leg down, pause and hold. Now holding the legs straight, you open out to the sides, swivel one leg up, one leg down. Then rotate around to the side. My foot is totally cramping here. Swivel around, swivel back on up. Breathe through it. I'm feeling that burn. I hope you guys are here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Shake it on out. Go ahead and take those ankle weights, take them off, and put them off to the side. Let's go ahead and stretch. Go ahead and lay onto your stomach. Feet are gonna slightly separate. Hands go right by your chest. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale, press away from that mat. Lift that chest up. Arch into that low back. For 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna bring the big toes together. Knees are out wide. Send your hips back. Reach those arms forward. Bring that chest down for a child's pose. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it on in. Go ahead and take a seat onto that mat. You can sit crisscross. Bring the hands to the stomach. Roll your shoulders back and down. Close those eyes. Taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. One more here. Taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Well, you did amazing today. I'm gonna go ahead and link a lower body workout so you can join me for lower body. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.